In this video, we are going to go over how to export a composition from Adobe After Effects using Adobe Media Encoder. You may have already watched a training course on Lynda on how to export a composition, but we will be going over our preferred settings within the MMC Digital Lab. First, make sure you set your workspace within your project. This is similar to in and out points in Premiere Pro. The workspace should start and end where you want your export to be. Drag the blue ends until you are satisfied. Next, select the composition panel. It will be highlighted in blue once it has been selected. To export a composition, go to File, Export, Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. This will open Adobe Media Encoder. It may take a minute to load. Here, you will be able to rename the export, set the file destination, and edit the technical video aspects. On the top right-hand side is the queue window. Your export should show up here. Click on the first blue text, which is your format. Format should be set to H.264. Next, set your output name and location. Next, set your preset to high bitrate. Click on one of the arrows and open Export Settings. This will open up an export screen that is very similar to Premiere Pro's export menu. You will want to select very similar settings as you would when exporting a video from Adobe Premiere Pro. The resolution and frame rate should be set the same as when you first created your Adobe After Effects composition, which should be 1920 by 1080 and 29.97 frames per second. Check the box next to Render at maximum depth. Set bitrate encoding to CBR and target bitrate all the way up. Check the box next to Use maximum render quality. Select OK to exit the format window. You are now ready to export your composition. Select the green play button near the top right of the screen to begin the export process. Do not shut off or restart your computer during the process. After the export is complete, double check that the video is indeed in your selected file destination and that it properly plays. The next step now is to get in touch with your supervisor for any questions or additional training.